Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you how we can install Ubuntu as a VM in VirtualBox. So I'm using VirtualBox version 7. So you can see the version here. I'm using VirtualBox 7.0. So you can use the same version, or even if you are using any other version, that is totally fine. So first of all, to install the Ubuntu VM, what you need to do, you need to download the ISO image. So you have to just go on Google and search for Ubuntu download. Okay, so just click on the first link, and then here you have this 24.04.2 LTS version. You have to just click on download and it will start downloading. Okay, so already I have downloaded the file. It is a .so file. So we'll directly go for the installation, and after your download is completed, then you can just check our videos. Okay, so what we'll be doing. So first of all, you have to open your VirtualBox and click on this new button, and you just type your VM name which you want to keep. I will keep Ubuntu 24, and I have to select the ISO. So this file I will be using. The version you can see 24.04.2. Click on open, and then you have to do next. Here just enable guest addition. Okay, do next. Then I'll be giving RAM this much. Okay, processor also I'll be increasing 3. That's fine. Size I will be keeping as 129. That's fine. Do next. Click on finish. Okay, so now it will boot up your VM. So basically Ubuntu installation takes a bit of time, so it will take you around 20 to 25 minutes. Yeah, just click enter. Go in maximize mode. Let's wait. Yeah. Okay, so you can see it's preparing Ubuntu now. So here it will ask you for the language and all those things we need to select. Then it will, for installation, it will take 20 minutes of time around. Okay, so you have to choose your language. So next, do next. Just keep typing on next. Keep, yes, we want to install. Interactive installation we need. Default selection is, I don't want to install third party anything. Do next. I'm just keeping the system default. Do next. The name I will be keeping Ayush. Ayush. Password also same I will keep. Okay. Do next. Do next. Click on install. Okay. So now it is copying files. After that, it will install and set up the system. So this time, so this is the actual installation of the Ubuntu VM in your VirtualBox. Okay. So I will just pause the video, and once it's done, I will be back. Okay, so it has been installed, so it's asking to restart. So just click on restart now button. So it will restart our system. Just wait. It will ask you to enter your password, whatever you used while installing the system. Just wait few more seconds. Okay, now enter the password. Okay, cool. It has been installed. Okay, just click next, to skip, next, finish. Okay. Okay, so let's do a Control Alt T to open a terminal. LS, yeah, everything's fine. Yeah, just a screen size issue which we have. So for that, what we will be need to do, we have to enter some commands. So we first enter sudo apt update into the password. Yeah. After that, one more command is there which we have to run. This one, sudo apt install build essential. So we'll just type build essential dkms linux dash headers dash. Okay, remind me later. Roller uname hyphen r, and just yeah, that's it. Okay, click yes. So it's 194 MB file. It will install. Just wait. And after that, what we have to do? You have to click on this devices, and you have to click on this insert guest addition. So once it's done, we'll do it. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, cool. So now just click on this insert guest addition. So over here you will see one CD will come. So what you have to do, you have to just click on it. Here you have to click on run software, click run, enter the password. Yes. So it will be installing some modules. Just wait. Wait for a few more seconds. So it's update and yeah, it is done. So just enter to close the window. Okay. So now for now what you have to do, you have to just restart your VM. So you can just directly close from here also, no issues. And now let's restart from here. Now it will come into the full screen, the full size of your PC it will come. Just wait. Yeah, now enter the password. Ayosh. Okay. Okay, just do right control F. Yeah, again right control F. Yeah, so now it's fixed, everything is fine. So that's all guys for this video. If you have any issues, please ask us in the comment section. Thank you. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.